Even if the skies are gray, even if I lose my way, you remind me it's okay to take it slow, to just stay. You don't try to fix it all, you just sit with me through the fall. With your silence soft and real, you know exactly what I feel. Even if the world feels heavy, even if my hands feel empty, you and I were side by side. No need to run, no need to hide. Even if I can't explain, you stay with me through the rain. That's enough, just being here with you. The sky feels clear. We don't always need the sun